So I've been looking for ways to make money from home, and some of the things that I have made is digital products. But the most recent side hustle that I have tried is buying a sewing machine and some fabric around the corner and make some homemade flags vintage style. And today I will show you how profitable this business has turned out for me on 2026. And some of the shots that I will show you are from this year and part of 2025. So I have made thousands, like literally thousands of dollars with just a sewing machine. And here's some of the models that I have. This is the St. George flag, and for this flag I have sold many flags, and there have been like hundreds of dollars worth even on marketplace on Facebook. But recently I had another idea to use the same model and make the Jerusalem cross or the Templar flag, which the one you're watching here. And finally I sold my very first one. And this is pretty much the same flag as the St. George flag. The only thing is that I have to add the little 4 crosses on each corner. And since I have a vinyl cutter, I made myself a homemade stencil. Pretty much it's just a decal, what we call a negative. I remove the cross and then I place it with my duct tape or my transfer tape, which is a little thick, and that will give that stencil thickness. So now I'm gonna add my tape like this. This is a like I said, this is a really thick transfer, and I'm just gonna cut it after I apply my transfer and cut the cross, and it will look like this. This is my stencil. Now I'm gonna trace it on fabric, and pretty simple. This is how easy it is for me to make this Jerusalem flag. It's a beautiful flag, and like I said, I finally sold my first flag. So anyway, I invite you guys to subscribe and like this video. Make sure you stay tuned because I will show you other models that I have made money from with my sewing machine. Also, I will upload more ways for you to make money, or even business ideas, money ideas. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you again pretty soon.